back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Exela Technologies, and today the stock is down 3.5%, trading at 21 cents, and it looks like the stock is actually trending downward, even though it might have slowed down its momentum. So yeah, that's what the market looks like right now. Not pretty at all. At the top of your screens, you can see that most of those major indices are down, and XELA seems to have followed that trend to a T. Stocks opened and then they trended downwards, then they seem to recover a little bit, and then they turned around and continued on their downward trend. So volume is actually quite healthy. We still have about close to 3.5 hours to the close of market today. Volume is at 11 million compared to an average volume of 33.9 million. And you can see that again, just a reminder, the 52-week range is from 21 cents all the way up to $5.45. Today we are closer to the lower end of that spectrum, but we haven't touched the 52-week range, which is 21 cents even. We're still quite a bit higher than that. So there have been some gains over the past 3 sessions on Wall Street, and if you look at the 5-day graph, you can see that XELA was able to hold its own. But today, as Wall Street starts again on another slump, you see that XELA was not, spared. The last major PR that we had from Exela Technologies is from 6 days ago, when they announced that they have a new chief technology officer, and that was a very welcome news, as we know that Exela will be seeking to start making even more deals as the world reopens. So they have a very good AI and platform that they can deploy, and it will help automate business processes for many businesses. We just think that it's just that some of these companies don't yet know what is available out there. So the team at XELA, 16,000 strong employees, the global footprint, we think the company has a lot of very good value that is locked in, and with time, as the word gets out there, more and more companies will be willing to use the technology that Exela Technologies has developed over time. Market capitalization has dropped quite a bit, and it is right now at $93.6 million. And again, this is just a very low market capitalization for a technology company the size of Exela Technologies. So I think at this point, I've been saying it for a while now, it's a very good entry point into this stock. Well, we never know what might happen tomorrow, so I wouldn't say that use that as a benchmark or a recommendation for a stock pick. But again, for the purposes of discussion, we can agree. I can say that I think Exela Technologies is a lot of value at this price point. So yeah, do your due diligence, take a close look at the stock, and you can compare it with its peers on the market and see if it makes sense to put your money in this company. But at the price point at which I see it, at 21 cents per share, I think that is a sweet bargain. Thank you for your time. Thanks for joining me once more. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. We fixed for ourselves an objective of hitting 1,000 subscribers by the midterms in November. So we need all the help we can get from new and returning visitors to this channel. Bye for now, and I will catch you guys on the next video.